all the way on.
He says, don't 2 feet count?
All the way on. Good boy. Down.
River is so smart and so food motivated. Look at this smart boy. He just wants to please. So this is River showing off his obedience commands. He's looking for his forever home.
Good. Okay, come on. Good boy.